Dad, he's on camera. I don't think I've ever cooked with you before, Dad.
No.
I can't believe the fishmonger. I was like, where's the brown meat? It's like, there's nothing there.
He'll probably keep it for himself.
So we're going to go to Mauritius. Dad, you can tell everybody, am I a good cook?
Oh, I don't know. I've never had a lot of your meals.
That's a lie.
Some?
I cook. What do you mean some? Dad, do you want to come every week?
No.
It's my birthday and we're making crab soup, a Mauritian dish called Bouillon Crabe. So here's my crab. So I'm going to have to go back to the shop and said I had 2 crabs and I've got no brown meat. Dad's been cleaning the crab. All clean. Say hi, Dad.
Yes, hello.
Tomatoes. We're going to dice up the onions. We're going to mince some garlic and some ginger, which I've got in the freezer. I love doing ginger in the freezer because you can just grate it. A bit of cumin. We've got some chili. I'm only going to use 1. And we've got some thyme. Here's all my crab. Crab. I've got some prawns heads here that I had in the freezer. So I'm just going to shove that in to the pan and make some fish stock. You don't normally do that in Mauritius, do you, Dad?
What's that?
Make fish stock for it.
No. How many cloves of garlic?
It says a tablespoon, I think, Dad. I've just put some oil in there. I'm just going to cook that crab where all the shells will come pink, and then I'm going to add some water. Right.
Slice those chop.
What do you want it to do? I don't mind. I don't mind slicing. Oh no, he's dicing. Garlic's going in. A little bit of salt in there to help crush the garlic. What year was it when you came to the UK?
1965.
61 years ago.
It's 13.
What do you remember about Mauritius when you were 13?
Nice weather, sunshine, and fishing.
Onions are going in. Oh my God, this is so much fun with you, Dad. He said, tell the truth, is my cooking good?
Yes.
I don't believe you if you don't look in the camera. I want to go to Mauritius and I want to do a massive foodie thing. Do you know I've never been?
No, that's right. We never had no toys. Build our own toys, make our own sort of thing, run around with a tire, a bicycle tire or something like that. Because the only toys we got was at Christmas time. We get one of these little guns called cap gun. Mauritian food is very nice. It's a mix of French and African Creole food, yeah.
And Chinese, right?
You got Chinese, Indian. It was.
Crack the claws.
We're going to make noise now.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh my gosh, this is going to burn, Dad.
Yeah, turn the fire down.
I don't burn stuff usually. Crush up some ginger. Where's my present?
Oh, I didn't have time.
How did you forget?
No, I didn't have time.
He's only retired. So we're just crushing up that ginger and garlic. What kind of house did you live in?
Corrugated roof sheets.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they were on stilts.
Were you living by the sea then?
No, it wasn't by the sea.
Why was it on stilts?
Because they always used to have like a little cave underneath.
Cutting up a chilli to put inside the onions. He's going to chop the tomatoes. He's always got to find something to do.
It didn't fly over. So it was like a cruise, a French cruiser. A whole month on the boat. Made friends with lots of children that was coming over. And nice cooking on the board there on the ship was very French cooking.
Garlic and ginger's going in. We're just going to keep that going. And then I'm going to put the cumin in as well. And the thyme. How did you learn English?
Learn English in Mauritius at school. English and French. Secondary.
Going in.
Secondary, you learn Latin as well.
Oh, really? Should we put the tomatoes in? Look how nicely you cut those tomatoes, Dad. We're not going to put them all in at once because they've got to slowly cook down. And then, well, you know when they're cooked, when the oil splits. But you became a chef, didn't you?
Yeah, I worked in the kitchen. Yeah, straight to London, Ladbroke Grove.
Ladbroke Grove. So Dad loves Ladbroke Grove. We love carnival. We're big carnival people, aren't we, Dad? You like to dance.
Mm-hmm.
He likes to wind up. I go every year. Dad can't go anymore, can you?
No.
It's too much for him to walk.
First job was
We put some more tomatoes in.
Was washing pots and pans in Bourne Hollingsworth in Oxford Circus. Selfridges.
You worked in Selfridges?
In the kitchen. Selfridges in Shell Centre, Waterloo, And then started doing sauces, vegetables, béarnaise sauce. And
I remember you teaching me to cook bechamel. We're getting all the Mauritians in here telling us what to do.
I said to put some
Hello,
lemongrass.
Auntie.
Add some lemongrass.
More tomatoes. Yeah, let's put all of it in now. I put thyme in already.
All right, okay.
I can go and get some more. He's gonna escape in the garden. How did you meet Mum? I don't even know this.
The Mauritian Downs, Leicester Square, Friday, once a month.
Time's going in. Human's going in. So Dad's a bit of a mover. He can dance. Could Mum dance as well then?
No.
No.
No, she's not a good dancer.
Mum's not a good. Did you say Mum is not?
Not then.
Oh, not then. I was gonna say.
You know, Sega music is a bit like reggae music of faith.
Reggae, calypso. He's asking if you're gonna dance. Okay, look. This is what's going on over here. Don't you think it's done? Can we put the crab in? This is smelling so good. Actually, where were you born in Mauritius? Where did you grow up?
Babassin, middle
Stop
of
going
the
in.
country, yeah.
Huh?
In the middle of this island.
Oh, so you were nowhere near the beach?
No. Well, it's such a small island, so it will only take about 20 minutes to get to the beach.
Mum said don't put too much in because if you put too much in, it's going to be too watery.
But I've only been back 3 times since I came over here. It's improved a lot. New roads, lots of new buildings. I always miss it.
What do you miss?
I know the way of life and the weather and that, yeah.
This takes about, what, 15 minutes?
Yeah, another 5 minutes.
Another 5 minutes, I think. So we're going to go to Mauritius.
Yeah, if you like.
I think you're having fun now, aren't you, Dad?
Not really. Another camera.
What I would love to do is go to Mauritius and explore the food there. Do you like street food?
They have these dalpuris, this roti, but they put dal in it. They put like a little tomato sauce and chutney or pickled vegetables, a bit of chili, and it's quite nice.
Where can you get Mauritian food from? Like,
London, there's some restaurants, and there's also Tooting Broadway Market.
it's quite rare to meet with Mauritian. Like, I think in my TV work, I maybe have met 2 other people. Yeah, you can put the coriander. Got to do it the other way, Dad.
Which way?
The camera can see it.
Oh.
It is yummy food. It really is yummy food. Big crab claw. Okay.
That's it.
Right, big one. Ta-da! It's our first time cooking. Did you enjoy it, Dad?
Yes. Okay.
Can I cook?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Your
nice.
dad is blessed to have a daughter like you. Oh, that's nice. Don't burn your tongue now.
No.
Okay. Oh,
Nice.
it is really good. So the crab claws are the best to get because it's so meaty and chunky. I should also say that you are lucky to have a father like that. Ah, that's nice. It is a bit fiddly to eat, but trust me, it's so worth it. Go on, show me. Oh, that's how you do it. It's tomatoey, it's chili, it's got freshness from the coriander, not too spicy. You can obviously put more chili in it, but it's delicious. The garlic and the ginger, it just makes it really aromatic. It feels healthy because I've made the fish stock with the crab and the prawns.
Yeah.
It's just really, really delicious. I think Mum's going to like it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dad, for joining me.
Okay. Yeah, okay.